morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Happy September 29th. It's almost Vlogtober. Well, this vlog is actually going to go up the first day of Vlogtober. So, happy Vlogtober, you guys. I am going to aim to get 5 uploads a week up for you guys, Sunday through Thursday. But keep in mind, I do have 2 full-time jobs. So, that's my goal. We'll see if it happens. But I'm really, really excited. Also, I'm really vibing with those twinkly lights there. I don't know about you, but I really love them. So, happy Tuesday. Welcome back to my trying the pumpkin spice pod for the first time because I finally got it yesterday. And I'm so excited. Today's video is going to be so fun. So, yesterday my camera came in the mail. I ordered a new camera and I wanted to wait until today to unbox it with you guys. I had the ultimate self-control yesterday. But I upgraded to a Canon M50, which I am stoked about. I did so much research for months over the G7X, M50, and I finally decided I wanted the M50. I'm so excited. Okay, holy cannoli. I was reading, we're saying it was like a ton bigger. It's really, really not. Wow, it's not that big at all. Okay, so this is what she looks. I'm gonna go ahead and switch the camera over in 3, 2, 1. New camera. What do we, great. This is gonna take so much getting used to not look up or at the side. But what do you guys think? I think it's a lot better. I feel like it'll be kind of hard to tell though until I'm like editing, but I think it's a lot more crisp. Like look at my coffee sign. I also feel like it is a lot wider. I also went to Nespresso yesterday to pick up some pods, so I'll show you guys my pods that I got because y'all always love to see that. And then we got some coffee from Joffrey's, which I'm gonna show you guys. But first, let's make a to-do list because it's gonna be actually a really busy day. I have a lot of content stuff to do behind the scenes. I also have 2 interviews today, so somehow I have to get everything done. I have an interview at 9 and at 11, so it's so hard to not look over there. Cheers to a busy day. Hi guys, so update, I was filming on the new camera and they definitely sent me a defective camera because it just started having this like pink spasm. I'll show you guys on my phone. That is so disappointing. I'm just gonna return it and get a new one, but I'm so bummed. So bummed. But it was filming fine for like 5 minutes and then it started doing this. So I wonder if they like reset it to like work and then, I don't know, but I'm gonna email them and try and get a new one, I guess. So a coffee haul for you guys. We ordered a bunch of Joffrey's, which you guys know we love. Joffrey's is like the in-house Disney coffee brand. We love them so, so much. We ordered this just for like our Keurig and stuff. We kind of do like a big order like this every like 4 to 5 months. But our favorite is Jamaican Me Crazy. You guys probably already know that. It's the best. If you guys get cold brew at Disney, this is what they serve it. Then Matt wanted to get French vanilla. And look how sweet they were, guys. They added a free little pumpkin spice syrup into our order, which is so sweet. And this is why Joffrey's is a superior brand, because that is so sweet. And then I love Kona coffee. Kona coffee is what you get at the Polly. So we got some Kona coffee to have at home. And then I've never had the French roast, but it sounded good. So we just got the Disney French roast. So that's our little Joffrey's haul. I'll show you guys what we got from Nespresso. Ordered a lot of pods. I already broke into these ones this morning. Oh, I just had one of these. It was so good. But these weren't in our order. They're actually not available for order on the Nespresso. These aren't available for order on the Nespresso website. But when I went in, they said they had just gotten them today. So I got 2 packs of that. And then we just got, we got a Bianco Leggero, which we like. And then the rest are just all like coffees. That's like I think an espresso. But this is the Stormio. Matt and I like that one. And then we also like Melozio. And then everybody, and then I love anything hazelnut, so I wanted to try the hazelnut one. And then literally everyone and their mom told me I needed to try the caramel cookie, so I got that one. And I think I'll have that one this morning and try that one out too. But that's our little Nespresso haul. And I'm gonna go and email Best Buy and get a new camera. She looks good. She's got all the pods in there. I'm so happy. Okay, that like literally fits perfect. Are you eating a stick in the house? I don't even know where she got this, but oh my god, her bed is like full of it. We had to wash the other bed, but oh my gosh, she's literally eating a stick in the house. Alrighty guys, well, I'm just exporting my video going up today. I actually have an interview at 9, so I should probably like get ready for that slowly. Gosh, I need to take my nail polish off. My hands are gross. Alrighty guys, it is such a gloomy day here. It's just like so blah, you know? But My interview went really well. I'm really excited. It was actually a second interview, which I had never had a second interview before, so I didn't know what to expect. My first interview was with 2 managers, and then I thought I was gonna be with the same people, but it was with the director. And the first thing she said to me is that the manager spoke really highly of me, which made me so happy. And I don't come on here to brag by any means about my interviews. I just like want you guys to be able to follow me on like my post-grad journey of finding like a career, you know what I mean? So I'm really, really excited about that. My interview today at 11 is for the job I'm currently in full-time, but we'll see. I am leaning towards the other job, but we'll see. I'm just being super honest with you guys, but I'll give you guys the full update based on if I get the job or not. But I'm really excited. I kind of have a feel, I don't know, this part of the vlog might go up because I might not get the job, but she was super nice, and she didn't ask me any questions. Like, I already knew I interviewed, and we literally just chatted for like 10 minutes. She wanted to get to know me, I wanted to get to know her. It was very informal, like just chatting, which was really nice, which makes me think I got the job. She said I'll hear back this afternoon about next steps, which I also think is a good sign. So I don't know, we'll see if I get a letter of offer this afternoon or if they call me, but I'm really excited. I'm not going to share what the job is until I either get good news or bad news, but I'm really excited. So hopefully that, you know, that kind of cheered me up today. I'm just like really bummed about my camera, but that's fine. I also, when I went to look online, they were sold out at Best Buy, so I don't really know if they're gonna send me a new one or give me a refund or what they're gonna do, but yeah. Anyways, I deserve a second coffee today. If you have an Nespresso or any kind of like Keurig, can you let me know how you guys make iced coffee from hot coffee? I'm very confused because every time I put the cup underneath with ice, the hot coffee just melts the ice. So I don't know how everyone is doing it, and I need to know. So I'm gonna attempt to do the iced coffee with the Nespresso. I think the key is just a lot of ice, maybe? I don't know. Y'all baristas, let me know if I'm doing it wrong, but we're gonna do, I wonder if the caramel cookie would be good iced. You guys think so? I feel like it's sweet. That made like a decent amount of iced coffee. Wow, I'm impressed. Okay, the ice all melted. How frothy it is. It's just so dang cute. Okay, I'm very excited to try this. I'm gonna put my coffee here. Okay, also we got our to-do list going, which it's not too busy today actually. I thought I was gonna have to do a big to-do list, but I didn't, so I have that. Yesterday was super fun. Oh, I'm so excited. I have to tell you guys something so exciting. Wow, it's already 10 o'clock. Where did the day go? We are so close to 13K. What the heck? I literally just hit 12. Also, how cute is my new banner for fall? I'm vibing with it. I think I'm just gonna do like little seasonal things every time. I think it's so cute. But I just set my video to premiere. A lot of people have been asking me if I like the premiere function. I love it. I think my videos have been doing a lot better because of it. But I have a video going up today at 11. Yay for a work week. Guys, update. This coffee is delicious. This is the caramel cookie one. So good and smooth. You really don't need anything in it. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, I'm gonna have this, and it's currently 10. I have my next interview at 11. So I'm just gonna get some like work done for the next little bit, like actual work, like my job. So I'm gonna do that, have my to-do list, have my coffee, have my laptop, and I just have a bunch of emails to catch up on because it was a pretty hectic morning, you know, with my other interview and my camera situation. So I'm also just waiting for Best Buy to email me, and I'm also to work, and I'll chat with you guys in a little bit. On this in my work week, like a tiny little bit, but not really. But I did something super exciting, which I've actually never done before. I've never bought an Apple product new, ever. I have the Apple Watch Series 3, if you guys don't know, and I bought that used, I believe, on Best Buy, like an open box one. And there's nothing wrong with doing that. I'm always someone that's done that. Never someone who buys stuff new. Like, I have an iPhone XR, which is like 2 years old now, and it's cracked and everything, and like just tech stuff doesn't like really like, I don't feel the need to buy it new, if that's what I'm getting at. But for some reason, I just really wanted to upgrade my Apple Watch yesterday to see. Basically, I was gonna wait until I got a job. Basically, I was gonna wait until I got a big girl job, like a Monday to Friday job, and then like treat myself, you know, for getting a job. Matt, I thought that was fair. But then I went and looked yesterday, and the one I wanted with the band I wanted wasn't shipping until like November, December, because it's pre-order right now. They ship next week, October 9th, I think. So I was like, oh my God, I need to order it now. So I ended up getting a different band, but I ordered it yesterday because if I didn't, I wouldn't have gotten it in time. And I'm not like a techie person. Like, I don't really like watching unboxings unless it's like a YouTuber I watch, like Julia or like Catherine June or someone I actually watch, then I'll totally watch their unboxings. But I thought it'd be super fun. And the main reason I got the Apple Watch SE is because it's just a more affordable option. And I know a lot of you guys are in college or just starting your first job and like money is not necessarily like flowing in like crazy. So I wanted to be able to review the new Apple Watch for you guys, but the less expensive one. And I just had like no interest in paying $600 for the Apple Watch Series 6. So I got the Apple Watch SE. I'm really excited to compare them to my 3, and then I'll just sell my 3. So I'm really excited. And that comes next week. So that'll be in a Vlogtober vlog. We'll be unboxing my new Apple Watch and give you guys like my first impressions, which I'm really excited about. So yeah, I pre-ordered that yesterday. I'll show you guys the one that I ordered, and then I'm gonna get back to work for a little bit. But I just wanted to share with you guys that I pre-ordered that, and I'm really excited because I've never bought anything new and I'm just so excited. Okay, so I pre-ordered the Apple Watch SE, the 40mm space gray with the pink sand sport band, which I'm really excited about. I currently have the Series 3 38mm, so it'll be about almost the same size, a little bigger with the pink watch band, which I loved. So I'm really excited to get that, and yeah, let me know down below if you guys want to see an unboxing. Alrighty guys, update. It is currently almost 11. It's actually 10:56. I need to hop on to my other interview. I think this might just be like a productive morning in my life situation because I actually have to work this evening as well. So yeah, Stella's playing very nicely, but as soon as my last interview started, she wanted to play with all the squeaky toys, so I hope she doesn't do that again, but we'll see. She still loves her stick. I love that we buy her all these toys, yet she wants to play with a literal stick. Oh, Matt and I got her new toys, obviously, who's surprised, so I'm gonna show you guys those super quick. Oh my god, do you guys see this mess? Ma'am, are you making a mess? She loves that monkey with her whole heart. Oh my god, look, she's like snuggling it. Okay, well anyways, you guys already saw this, but it came in like a 3-pack. She loves anything that has like a bottle in it, but it's, oh, I shouldn't have done that. Now she wants it. It's just like a little Halloween one. And then we got her this coffee yesterday. Isn't this so cute? It's the cutest thing ever. She loves crinkle toys, so got her a little crinkle toy. Oh, you want that one? Okay. I don't know, it's funny. Also, it's literally so dark in here. What the heck? I'm more nervous for this interview, like in the job I already am in with my manager I already know, than the interview for the other job. I don't know why. Maybe it's because there's like more pressure on me to get this one. Okay, it's 10:57. I'm gonna log on to my interview at 10:58, so I'm not late. Matt also has his first day at his new job today, and I'm waiting to hear back on how it went. I put a cute little note in his lunch bag to be a cute girlfriend, and I'm waiting for him to notice. So anyways, that's that. I want to know how this interview goes. Still refreshing my emails every 6 seconds for an email from the first interview, but what it do. Yeah, that coffee is done and that hit me. I'm awake and ready. Matt and I had Little Caesars last night for dinner, and I think I'm gonna have Little Caesars for breakfast, just being honest with y'all. So okay, let's get ready for this interview. Like more chatty vlogs like this, or if you guys like more B-roll productive vlogs. I feel like I talk a lot in this vlog and I don't do that very often. So let me know if you guys like the casual style. But I'm gonna do my interview and I will, oh my god, why is it an hour long? I'm hungry, I don't wanna do this. Who's in this interview, by the way? I don't even know who's in this interview, guys. So that's cool. It is 12. I'm just about to make myself some breakfast. I'm just having one of these sprouted power bagels. So yummy. And then we just use the avocado oil margarine. If you're wondering, it's plant-based, so that's that. Drinking some water. When's the last time I talked to you guys? My second interview went well. Yeah, I'm just kind of like waiting to see, weigh out my options. I'll obviously keep you guys posted. It's 12, 2 more hours of work. It's been actually a really slow work day, which is really nice. Just catching up on like emails, but that's like totally chill. I'm just sitting on the couch watching YouTube, catching up on emails. It's a good life. And then I work this evening as well. So that is that, but starting to hang in. Stella and I just got back from a walk, which was really nice. I saw the twinkly lights. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, only because I'm gonna go to work right after this and I'm actually gonna start a work week video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little morning vlog, and I can't wait to get my new camera. I really hope it comes soon. So fingers crossed for me, pray for me, manifest good things for me that I get a new camera. And I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. Subscribe if you're not already. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!